Good morning and happy Tuesday. It's June 9th. I just wanted to touch base. I will still continue putting up a morning greeting each morning, just as reminders to your class on what should be done at this point. So really, our last design project was based from the PBS challenges that were listed on the Tri-Engineering website. About 50% of you did not turn those in last week, so that means you must need a little bit more time. I'm also still looking for overdue assignments for several of you. If you received a message from me in Schoology saying, check School Tool, you have at least one missing assignment, well, that means you really need to check School Tool and see where you have gaps. I've noticed that on some of these, there are assignments that were at the beginning of the semester, meaning they were due like 6, 7, 8 weeks ago. Now, does that mean you can't turn them in? No, I do want you to turn them in. Does that mean you might have to look a little bit for wherever you left off this material? And in some cases, I'm actually wondering if you did the assignment. Okay. For the reverse engineering assignment, remember that was at the very start of this semester. I still have a couple people that haven't done, haven't turned in that assignment. And remember that assignment was to basically disassemble something, identify all the parts and what they're made of and what their features were and what they did, and then submit both the little poster board with the components labeled. And so that was part one. And the second part was a chart labeling all the parts and what they're made of and what their functions were, okay, and what their strengths and weaknesses were, okay. So let's please go ahead and get those turned in as soon as you can. I'm assigning no new work for this week, so really it is up to you to make sure that you turn in all your assignments, okay. I can't be more clear than that. So make sure that you go back, go into School Tool and then go back to whatever folder you need to and find that information and please submit it. Sooner rather than later would be very helpful. Think about it. If you wait to the very last day to submit something and there's problems and I give you solutions on how to fix those problems, you're out of time to fix them. If you turn the stuff in early and there's a problem with something, I'll let you know. I'll send you a message saying, hey, look at the notes that I left you on this because something's not quite right. And you have the ability to go back and fix it and raise your grade. Okay, so please be a little bit proactive as far as looking and sending that information to me on your assignment sooner rather than later. If you wait to the end, there's no time to make repairs. So, all right, guys, we'll see you later. Get all that work in. Thank you.